Yesterday I went to McDonald's and ordered an ice cream, but the staff said, "Sorry, sir, the ice cream machine is broken." And honestly, this wasn't the first time it happened to me. That's when I started wondering, why is the ice cream machine always broken? So I did some research, and I found out this isn't just my experience. People all over the world complain about the same thing. On Twitter, Reddit, memes, everywhere, you'll see people saying that the ice cream machines at McDonald's are always down. So I dug deeper. Is this just a coincidence, or is there something bigger behind it? Here's the truth. McDonald's ice cream machines are actually very complex. Every single day, they have to go through a cleaning process that can take up to 4 hours. And if that cleaning cycle gets interrupted for any reason, the machine automatically locks itself. And here's the problem. Employees at the store usually can't reset it. Now comes the real twist. These machines are made by a specific company, and only that company is authorized to repair them. So if something goes wrong, the staff can't fix it themselves. A technician from that company has to come in and repair it. Until then, no ice cream. Some experts believe that these machines are intentionally designed to be this complicated so that repair calls happen more often, and that means more money from maintenance.